Financial planning for a post-pandemic world. Some people love a hands-on, in-control approach to their financial dealings, while others outsource to accountants, family offices, CPAs, or financial planners. However you plan, the financial world is in chaos. Massive stimulus packages by the Fed, counterintuitive moves in the markets, new players like cryptocurrencies, micro stock providers like Robinhood, and easy access to trading software and statistics are all skewing the traditional certainties of investment. What's next then? Financial planning used to be simple. The old saying that a little knowledge is dangerous has never been so true. Though, between all of the headlines, emails, groups, articles, studies, and options, sifting through the noise can become a full-time job. Along with this glut of information has come a proliferation of financial products to suit every pocket and demographic, giving investors way more choice, but also confusing them. Fear of losing money underlies all of these considerations. Nothing kills investment like uncertainty, and uncertainty is born of ambiguity. This makes the role of the modern financial planner more critical than it has ever been. It is not enough to know a product or investment category. The planner must understand the tax implications, have a mapped out exit strategy if the investment is not working out, and they must do all of this according to the risk profile of their client involved, making it all work in the new economy. From an investment perspective, we see four major trends emerging. 1. The COVID-19 pandemic has pointed to huge cracks in the risk associated with globalization. Key supply chains linked to just-in-time delivery has been decimated, with lockdowns and quarantines closing whole industries for months at a time. 2. Travel and transportation. Our attitude towards it and reliance on it have changed forever. Responsible for an estimated 10% of global GDP, aviation was also responsible for the labor migration of the 164 million migrant workers that traveled between countries for work as well as tourism, foreign education, and freight of valuable or time-sensitive goods. Could we see urban sprawl replacing megacities? 3. With the advent of artificial intelligence and working from home stepping up, solutions to problems that did not exist even just a few months ago will lead to the adoption of new systems and products designed because of the pandemic's impact. Automation will be an area that is ripe for innovation, especially for service robots in places like restaurants, hotels, retail, and agriculture. 4. The slowdown in transportation and energy use gave the window into what life could be like in a greener environment. Being able to see clearly across cities like Los Angeles have spurred a renewed interest in creating clean skies and healthier air for the first time in decades. The adoption of green solutions to energy in other areas will accelerate going forward. Governments are beginning to realize that their populations want this to be a large part of any policies they bring about. Good governance will be essential to controlling foreign competition, tariffs, and taxation, and other regulation and compliance areas. This is especially true of the dollar status on the world stage post-COVID, and its continued dominance as the world's reserve currency. Precious metals remain a foundation on which to build any investment portfolio. Gold, particularly, has shown resilience through significant world events across millennia. Nobody knows where the next decades will take us. It is exciting, intriguing, and perhaps frightening, and filled with investment opportunities that will come and go from nowhere. Staying on your toes and keeping your eyes wide open are your best options for now. And finding a good financial planner, of course.